Alright, welcome to the next class. In today's tutorial, we'll explain what is known as string format operation. So if you can recall in your secondary school or during your secondary school, um, you know one of the common way of asking question or quizzes is to use fill in the blanks. So for instance, if I say hello dash, or what is the meaning of dash, so um you can fill in the person's name, you can fill in the question, and also in a way combine both the question and the answer together. So I just use this analogy because Python also makes use of this. So Python has a similar construction that can that helps to fill in the gaps or fill in braces. So and that's there's actually a particular operation on strings which is called format. So format is an operation that is used to fill in empty spaces, fill in the gap, fill in braces, and it makes substitutions into places that are enclosed with braces. So I'm going to explain that very soon. So for instance, if I have um, a program that accepts a person's name and then try to greet the person. Now for instance, if I have a person, let's say a program that accepts a person's name and then greets the person. So if I have a person, I want you to follow me. I say input, enter your name. Now I'm going to write a program to greet the person. So I have greeting equal to hello. Now this curly braces, these braces that you see here, something is going to fill up this place. Now something is going to fill up here. Hello, something is going to fill up here. Now this person's name will be filled here in these braces like a space. But what will enable me to fill up that space is the format operation, the format method. We call it method. So I have format and person. I'm going to input this person. So now let me just explain what is happening here. Now this thing you see here is just like what we call um, method calling. Now it is very important for you to understand something in Python, that every string, integer or whatsoever is called an object. Now all data in Python are objects, including both strings, integers. Now they have a special function. Called method. Now this format you are seeing here is a method because it can be used to perform an operation on the object. So and this method is particular to each object. Now in string objects we have a method called format. This format you are seeing, so this hello is a string. If I enter my name, the name I'm entering is a string. So what happens is that this format helps me to fill up this empty space here, these empty braces that you are seeing here. So that is what it actually does. So remember I said something that in Python there is what we call methods. Now methods are special functions that can carry out an operation. Remember this format. Now what the operation is trying to carry out is to fill up a space, an empty space, to fill it with a name. Now take a look at this syntax. Take a look at this syntax. Now this hello here is an object, is a string, and the method here is format. Now there is one other thing you need to know, that this person is what is called a parameter. Now the format or the syntax for method is done like this. If you want to declare a method in Python, you have to first of all, just take a look at what I'm going to do. I need to explain this so that you know. I have the object dot the method name and what parameters. Object, method name, and parameters. Object, method name, and parameters. Now if you take a look at this one, now this hello here is an object. Remember I said strings in Python are objects. Method name dot, take a look at this dot. Method name, format is a method for string. Parameters are just like values that are being accepted by the method. So I have format, which is the method. I have person, which is the parameter. Do you understand that now? So this is the syntax for method declaration. So what I'm going to do is to print greeting. So let's print that. Let's see what's going to happen. So if I enter John Doe, I see it now. Hello John Doe. You see, this format method has helped to fill the name into these empty braces. So that is what format does. And also you can also put it this way. Instead of writing this way, you can just say let me fix everything here. Wait, I say print. Just take a look at what's gonna happen. I see that now. Print. Okay. It's going to prompt me to enter my name, John Doe. So I see that now. So that is that for the format function. I hope you really enjoyed today's tutorial. Thank you.